How to delete or uninstall apps on your Mac. If you want to remove an app from your Mac and free up some storage, here are the easiest ways to uninstall it. First, open Finder from the dock. Next, click Applications in the sidebar. Find the app you want to uninstall. Right-click the app and select Move to Trash. You may be asked to enter your Mac password or use Touch ID. Once the app is moved to the trash, right-click the trash icon in the dock and select Empty Trash. The app will now be removed from your Mac. There is also another way to uninstall some apps. Open Launchpad and find the app you want to remove. Click and hold the app until the icons start to move. If you see an X or delete button on the app, click it and confirm the removal. Keep in mind that some apps don't show a delete button in Launchpad. In that case, use Finder and move the app to the trash. If an app includes its own uninstaller, you can also open its folder in Applications and use the provided uninstaller. And that's it. This is how you can safely delete or uninstall apps from your Mac. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Mac tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.